Hola amigos y bienvenidos al canal. Me llamo Nuria y soy tu profesora de español. Hello my friends and welcome to the channel. My name is Nuria and I am your Spanish teacher. Have you ever wondered when to use muy and mucho? Do you get confused between muy and mucho? Today we are going to go over a little bit of grammar, but I'll try to make it as less painful as possible because not everybody loves grammar. But we're going to have a look at when to use muy, when to use mucho. So if this sounds like is your cup of tea, grab a cup of tea or coffee and let's have a look at the differences between muy and mucho. Today is going to be an English speaking video because I'm explaining grammar for beginners. I will show you how to use each one of them in different context/sentences so that you fully understand when to use it. We're going to start with muy. Muy translates in English as very. It is an adverb that will modify adjectives or other adverbs. And, key important thing, it will not change its form. It never changes form. Singular, plural, masculine, or feminine. So, muy is muy. We're going to use muy with adjectives. For example, very tall, muy alto, very nice. She is very nice. Ella es muy simpática. Or she is very intelligent. Ella es muy inteligente. Or she's very clever. Ella es muy lista. Or he's very interesting. Él es muy interesante. And we are also going to use muy with other adverbs. For example, the car is very fast. El coche es muy rápido. Or Mario is very slow. Mario es muy lento. Or very well, muy bien, very late, muy tarde. Now that we've explained muy, which means very in English, what does mucho mean? Mucho means much, a lot, many. So first off, muy, very, mucho, much, a lot, and many. Now, this is where the confusion comes for most people because mucho can be an adjective or it can be an adverb. But most importantly, is going to agree with the gender and number, i.e., we have mucho, mucha, muchos, and muchas. And it can also modify some verbs, which we will see one by one, so no panic here. So when we're modifying a noun, for example, I have a lot of work. Tengo mucho trabajo. I wouldn't say tengo muy trabajo. Or a lot of money. Mucho dinero. Or wow, that's a lot of food. Wow, es mucha comida. We can say they have many books. Ellos tienen muchos libros. Many people. Mucha gente. Now, this placement is always before the word that we're describing. Now, if we want to modify a verb, for example, I work a lot, it works exactly the same as English. So, a lot of work, mucho trabajo, or I work a lot, trabajo mucho. You see the placement is literally the same as in English. So hopefully this helps you. So I work a lot, trabajo mucho. Inma studies a lot. Inma estudia mucho. Let's have a look at 3 examples, but I'll give you some time to think into which one would you use. So kind of like an exercise. So he runs a lot. To run is correr. So he runs a lot would be él corre mucho. I drank a lot of water. Bebí mucha agua. There are many students. Hay muchos estudiantes. Now, I'm going to say a few very commonly used examples in English, and you're going to tell me if it's going to be muy or if it's going to be mucho or mucha, muchos, muchas. Okay, so very tired. Is it going to be used muy or is it going to be mucho? It is muy cansado. We won't say mucho cansado. Okay, another one. A lot of money. Muy or mucho? Mucho dinero. Many friends. Is it going to be muy or muchos? Muchos amigos. Very well. This, I have heard the wrong version of this a few times. So, very well is going to use muy bien. Now, let's practice a little bit more. I'm going to say some sentences and you're going to tell me if it is true or false. Ella es mucha simpática. This sentence is false. She's very nice. Ella es muy simpática. Tengo mucho trabajo. Is it true or false? That's true, exactly. A lot of work, mucho trabajo. Is this one true or false? Comen muy rápido. That's true. Muy rápido, very fast. Leí muy libros el mes pasado. It's false. Leí muchos libros el mes pasado. Easy, right? Okay, last one is estoy mucho feliz. Is this true or false? That's right, it's false. Estoy muy feliz. This is the end of the video. I hope you like it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any future videos. And if you want to practice more and kind of review these pointers from today's video at your own pace, I have prepared a free downloadable PDF with what we've seen today and more examples and a few exercises with the answers so that you can practice the use of muy, mucho, and so on. And I've also added a comparison table with muy, mucho, muchas, muchos. So if this is something that you like and you want me to keep doing, please, please, please subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up so that I know you like these kind of videos. I'll see you on the next video. Hasta pronto. And